we're gonna be working with, this is just a little jar actually. So this is from Hobby Lobby. This is gonna be our topper. I did go ahead and paint this with the Ballet Slipper Pink, Waverly Ballet Slipper Pink. And then we're gonna stencil it, and I'm probably gonna do some fine line crackle on it because I just love the way it looks. I did do a coat of that. I probably will go ahead and do some liquid patina before we go in to stencil it, just top coat it. This is one of the stencils from Decoupage Queen. I do love it because it has the 1, 2, 3 different sizes. So we're gonna be using that. Just add a little something there. That's so funny. Okay, what are we gonna use? We'll just use a little bit of the burnt umber. So what are we gonna do? I think maybe we might do these little baby diamonds here. Okay, so there's our little, just to add a little something extra there. Okay, I'm gonna give it another little coat just over our stenciling before we go in and fine line crackle it. Fine line crackle, this is available in my TH Decor link. Fine line crackle by Pintart. You have step 1, step 2. So I'm going in with the step 1 fine line crackle. So I'm gonna push that to the side for now, and then be done with your brush. Put it in your water. Okay, here's the little angel. I think I'm just going to add some gold to her wings. And then this is the crown from our mini crown collection because I want it to be big. And it's so cute. Hold on. I had it sitting on there perfect, of course, before. I love the big crown on her. I think it's darling. Liquid patina on her wings first. Okay, so there she is. I am literally just going to use a little bit of the gold antique paste. I'm just gonna come in and we're just gonna hit her wings. See the difference? All right, loving her wings. So sweet. Obviously, she's gonna be going up there. We paint it liquid gold. So we are going in with step 2. We're gonna let that just sit there for a minute, and while we are, we'll go ahead and get our angel girl. So we are gonna come in, it's glued to our lid. So there's our little girl. I think the gold looks sweet. So we're gonna get her crown on. I love the oversized crown, darling. All right, y'all, so now we gotta get this crack-a-lackin'. It's dry enough. We're going to, let's see. This is my favorite cross. This is the cross I chose. Let's see. She's so cute. Okay. Okay, that's cute. I hope that's on there enough when we go to add this wax. I'm gonna use the gold. And I need this paper towel to wipe it back. I'm gonna go ahead and take her off for now. And we're gonna go in. Look, see? We are going to use the gorgeous cross from the Antique Bronze collection. Again, we're going to use our B7000. Okay, look at the cross with her crown. I think she's darling.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.